As we welcome 2026, many of us set new goals, from health and finances to personal growth. But here's something we often overlook: the comfort and safety of our homes. Your HVAC and plumbing systems work silently every day to keep your family warm, safe, and comfortable. So, as you plan your year ahead, why not include them in your resolutions? At Tempo Air, we believe that a better year starts with a better home, and that begins with smarter, proactive care. Let's start with energy efficiency. Upgrading to a smart thermostat can transform how you manage comfort and savings. These devices learn your habits, adjust automatically, and help reduce unnecessary energy use, all while keeping your home at the perfect temperature. But efficiency isn't just about technology. It's also about maintenance. Scheduling regular HVAC inspections ensures your system runs smoothly year-round, preventing small issues from turning into costly repairs. Think of it as giving your home a fresh start, one that pays off in comfort, reliability, and peace of mind. And don't forget your plumbing system. Winter can be tough on pipes and water heaters. A single undetected leak or a frozen pipe can quickly become a disaster. Take this time to inspect faucets, check for leaks, and schedule a plumbing maintenance. A professional inspection can help you avoid water damage, conserve resources, and extend the lifespan of your entire system. Because when your plumbing runs efficiently, your home runs smoothly, and that's something every family deserves to start the year with. At Tempo Air, we're more than a service provider, we're your partners in comfort. Our employee owners take pride in protecting what matters most, your family and your home. Whether it's optimizing your HVAC system, upgrading to smarter solutions, or ensuring your plumbing is ready for the year ahead, we're here to help you make every season stress-free. Our employee owners take pride in protecting what matters most, your family and your home. Whether it's optimizing your HVAC system, upgrading to smarter solutions, or ensuring your plumbing is ready for the year ahead, we're here to help you make every season stress-free. Because when you choose Tempo Air, you're not just preparing your home, you're investing in comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind for the year to come. Start 2026 with confidence, comfort, and care. Tempo Air. Built to care, powered by people, employee owners care more. Visit our YouTube channel for more information. If you need help with your HVAC or plumbing system this season, you can contact us calling the number on the screen or visit our website, Tempo Air Employee Owner Care More.